Okay, and here is one of my standard patterns that I use to kind of get the Vibedrum massage going. For example, if the person is laying down, this is one of the positions I put it on, is just right at the knees or just above the knees. Again, with the small notes going vertically and horizontally across the body, and the large notes placed around the muscles of the legs. And so one pattern that I usually like to open up with is a standard one where I kind of go around the low notes this way. This is the lowest note at all. And I hit it 3 times. And then I go around. And then I go back around the other way. And I stop here. And that gets all the notes several times around. And then I'll play some chords. And then I work on the high notes. And if they've got a problem like with this knee here, I'll tend to keep coming back to this one and keep striking this one. So again, you don't need to be a percussionist or a drummer. It takes a little practice, a little intuition, and be a bit intuitive and see what feels right for the person. If you are Reiki and into giving Reiki, many times I combine the two. I think of the Reiki energy, and I know that you can just place your hands over for the Reiki energy, but I tend to focus on the Reiki energy and drive it through the drum and drive the Reiki energy along with the vibration of the drum right down into the person. And this combination of Reiki energy and drum vibration is a very, very powerful combination. So if you're a Reiki master or a Reiki 1 or 2, give it a try. Mix your Reiki with the vibration of the drum and see what results you get. Okay. The next video in this stage on giving a Vibedrum massage will actually be showing how one is done on a client. Okay, thank you.